everyone, and welcome back to my channel Education Hub. Today we are going to learn a new chapter that is all things bright and beautiful. So let's start. Chapter number 8, All Things Bright and Beautiful. Value devotion to God. Be thankful to God for what you have. So student, we always have to thanks God for whatever we have, small or big. Get going. Who made this beautiful world? So student, can you give the answer? Who made this? Yes, God made this. Who is present everywhere? God is present everywhere. Is God a wonderful friend? क्या वो आपका wonderful friend है? Yes, of course. God is my best and wonderful friend. Learning objectives. We must respect everything created by God. We have to respect. Now हमें हर चीज़ की respect करनी चाहिए. Whether it is human being, whether it is animal or anything, we have to respect God. We must be thankful to God for whatever good or bad things we get in life. We have to thank God for each and everything, whether it is good or whether it is bad. So one girl is here and he is talking about something which is made by God. You can see the clouds in the sky. You can see the golden sun shining above. You can see pink and red roses in the garden. So student, आपने देखा ये pictures में क्या दिया गया है? Sun है, birds are given. You can see golden sun shining, pink roses, red roses in the garden. You can see green tall trees in garden. What is this? All it is made by God. Who made these beautiful things? God made this beautiful thing. You can see monkeys swinging from tree and hear them chatter. अब देखते हैं कि झूला खा रहे हैं monkeys लोग और फिर chatter करते हैं. You can see the so many different birds are there. कितनी beautiful bird होती है like peacock. So many beautiful birds are there, right? And beautiful creatures, animals. So many things are made by God. We have to thank for them. We don't have to disrespect anything, any creature, human being, or the things made by them, because it is made by God, and Almighty is the big. Almighty is very, very big. We must thankful to Him. Now page number 32. What it is written? You can hear little birds singing directly. You can hear the rustle of leaves. You can feel the wind blowing. You can taste ice cream, chocolates and samosas. Who made all this possible? So can you tell me who made all this thing? जो आपको बहुत पसंद है खाना पीना chocolates, ice cream, you know ना, you liked it very much. So who made all this possible? God made all this possible. God made all this possible. He gave you eyes to see. You can see this beautiful nature, beautiful garden, flowers, animals, human being, different colors, rainbow. Okay, with the help of eyes. Here you can hear some noises like singing. Whatever you hear, ears to hear and nose to smell. Up smell करते हो like perfume, flowers, and anything you smell, right? Bad or dirty or good. तो who gave all this thing? God gave all this thing. आप क्लासरूम में खेलते हो, like हम खेलते हैं, यहाँ जाते हैं वहाँ जाते हैं, तो हमें एनर्जी भी मिलती है, राइट? एनर्जी किससे मिलती है? तो फूड से. और फूड किसने बनाया है? फार्मर ने. फार्मर को किसने बनाया? गॉड ने. तो हमें किसकी हेल्प रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए? गॉड की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. एंड गॉड के हर क्रिएचर की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. योर बॉडी इज वंडरफुल गिफ्ट ऑफ गॉड. Your brain that thinks and solve problems and all is also a gift of God. हमें इतने अच्छे brain मिला है. Like we used to use brain in everything. Studies and हम कोई scientist बन रहा है. Some became engineer, doctor, teacher with the help of God. God has made many wonderful things. Listen to your teachers and recite this poem in the class and learn it by heart. So young student, when your poem is given here, so I will explain this poem, okay? And you have to read after that. All things bright and beautiful. All creatures great and small. तो गॉड ने कैसे बनाया है? All creatures great and small. तो क्रिएचर कौन से? लाइक जीव जंतु जो हमारे यहाँ पे होते हैं, राइट? छोटे छोटे कीड़े मकोड़े, उसे वो भी क्या होते हैं? ऑल क्रिएचर्स ग्रेट एंड महान और स्मॉल. ग्रेट भी है और वो स्मॉल है पर बहुत ग्रेट भी है. ऑल थिंग्स वाइज एंड वंडरफुल. वो ऑल थिंग्स मीन्स ऑल सारी चीजें. वाइज मतलब चालाक, होशियार. एंड वंडरफुल. द गुड गॉड मेड देम ऑल. हु मेड देम ऑल? तो गॉड मेड देम ऑल. each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings. जो छोटे छोटे फ्लावर्स ओपन होते हैं लाइक बर्ड एंड बर्ड्स दैट स्विंग्स, ही मेड देम ग्लोइंग कलर्स, ही मेड द ग्लोइंग कलर्स, हर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर्स में वो बनाए गए हैं. ही मेड द विंग्स, उनके विंग्स भी किसने बनाए हैं? तो गॉड ने. द पर्पल हेडेड माउंटेन, द रिवर रनिंग बाय, द सनसेट एंड द सनशाइन दैट ब्राइटन्स अप टू द स्काई. तो पर्पल हेडेड माउंटेन है जो माउंटेन लाइक रिवर्स के पास से गुजरते हैं, रिवर गुजरती राइट, हम वाटर फ्लो बोलते हैं, स्ट्रीम्स बोलते हैं, वो किसने बनाए हैं? तो इट इज ऑल मेड ऑफ from Almighty. The sunset, you like sunset na? And sun shines also. So sunshine also brighten up the sky. It also brighten up the sky. The cold wind in the morning, ठंडी लगती है सुबह सुबह, like it's very breezy and बहुत अच्छा लगता है like हमें. The pleasant summer sun, summer का sun है जो द राइप फ्रूट इन द गार्डन, कच्चे फ्रूट्स है वो जो गार्डन में, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है देख के, हमें लगता है कि तुरंत तोड़ के हम खा लें, है ना, हम ऐसे बहुत ऐसा होता है, मन होता है. तो ये सब किसने बनाया? ही मेड देम ऑल. इट इज all things are made from God. Now some plans of action are here. I will thank God for giving me everything in life. हमें क्या करना चाहिए? Thank. I will always remember God in good and bad times. हमें ऐसा नहीं कि हमें good thing है, like good thing है तो हमें good thing में ही उन्हें याद करना है. No. We have to remember in bad thing also. I will remain good to everyone. And what you have to do? The action is you have to remain good to everyone. So all the students, I hope you all have understood this chapter. They read this chapter twice, thrice. जब तक आपको समझ में ना आए तब तक आप इसे read कीजिए, okay? And thank you.